Alright guys, we've got the McDonald's Pokemon. They wouldn't sell me any of the individual packs, so I got a Happy Meal here. Kudos to them for that. I got the cheeseburger meal, but we're going to take this out. So we've got the Pikachu and Dragonite combo here, and on the back it says, grown-ups scan the code to find Pokemon at Pokemon.com. So I believe it comes with a sticker sheet. I'm doing this in the McDonald's parking lot. So we've got some stickers here, and then it comes with a nice little sheet here to I guess you can put your stickers on the sheet. So let's get into this pack here. The pack kind of feels like paper. You got Pikachu and Dragonite there. So I believe whatever is on the box is what's going to be on your pack. So let's try to open this without absolutely destroying the paper pack here. And you get 4 cards. So here we go. We've got a hollow Dragonite here. See if you can see that. There you go. We've got a Rayquaza. I can't read backwards and I don't have my glasses on. We've got a Jigglypuff. And a Hatena. And there's 15 cards total in this this set here. So here's our hollow Dragonite card here. I don't see anything on here that says that this is a McDonald's promo. The only thing is at the bottom here it says M24. So I believe that's going to be our designator for the McDonald's promo. So thanks for watching, guys. Take your kids, go to McDonald's, get some Pokemon cards.